Kumba ju Rakhe manla snem ïaka sngi burom ki Nonghikai ïaka bala ju Rakhe haka tarik Nailur ka baderu ka sngikha jong khraw pyrkhat kari baderu Presiden barim kari India u Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan ka Ophis jong District School Education Officer but Sub-Divisional School Education Officer Ri Bhoi District mynta ka sngi hapdeng ka jingiphuh iphieng kila Rakhe ka sngi burom ki Nonghikai Teachers Day ka bahan riu phulai ban ai ka jingïaroh e Nonghikai halor usenyang uben hei ban kentiu e Samla pule bat ka jingnang jing start khamtam ban penwandur e Samla pule ya kate ka jingïalang la penlong ha Parsih Hall Nongpoh haka balawan ban shembenta da Bah Sosthenes Sohtun MLA ka jirang haka jingdan rengkat u Abhilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ka Ri Bhoi ka Das District School Education Officer bat ki kiri rangba bat ki officer rangkat ki khana school bat ki Nonghikai. Hakate ka jing Rakhe la samru eki khusnam shaki Nonghikai haka district ki bala shajid halor usenyang bakila no shaka pule puthi bat khamtam ban kentiu ya ka jing nang jing start bat la samru eka khusnam best scout master.
The teachers and every responsible teacher always is working hard and making the commitment in every class, in every subject that they are for. Teachers, I believe, they always give the best to the students. I being a teacher, myself also, I think maybe most of you, you know, I had discussion with SDSU that I myself also in the year 1994, 95 and 2006, 7, I was teaching to one of the school in the remote area of soil, and then We always try to give the best, and I believe that our teachers, they always give the best. They always present their best knowledge giving to the students in every subject they are taking. Education is the main tool that is changing the world. Remember, we are here as students. You have to always think. You have to always note in mind that every teacher who is taking any subject from you, they are there to help you building a great future. We may have great scientists, we may have great doctors, or we may have great officers in different fields. But we have to know from where they start.
A vital role in shaping the lives of young learners and advancing the standard contributions to the school and the broader community. Recently appointed as Vice Principal on 1st August 2023 by the Managing Committee, Srimati Nongpoh has consistently played a pivotal role in the school's.
So in recognition of service, she is being awarded